My dear students of class 3, today I am here again to take your English class. But today I shall teach neither grammar nor literature, but something very interesting. That is, how to write a composition. How to write a composition. Now children, what is a composition? What is a composition? A composition is something that a person has created or written, especially a text, a work of art, or a piece of music, or the act of creating or writing something. I repeat, a composition is something that a person has created or written, especially a text, work of art, or a piece of music, or the act of creating or writing something. Here, composition is a short piece of writing about a particular subject. A composition is a short piece of writing about a particular subject. Composition or a well-written essay is divided into three parts. The main sections of an essay are: number 1, a brief introduction of the topic. A paragraph. Number 2, the body of the essay comprising the main points. One or more paragraphs. And number 3, a conclusion that sums up the main idea. Usually one paragraph. It is always good to reread and edit your essay once you have completed it. Okay. Now, although some compositions do not have separate introductory or concluding paragraphs, all good compositions are organized carefully with a beginning, middle, and end. I repeat, although some compositions do not have separate introductory or concluding paragraphs, all good compositions are organized carefully with a beginning, middle, and end. They are, well developed with examples, facts, incidents, or reasons to make the points clear. They are well developed with examples, facts, incidents, or reasons to make the point clear. Now, what is a good composition? A good composition is one that has just enough detail. Too few elements is bad, and too many elements can be confusing as well. A good composition requires good balance. Anyway, children, all of us know that we are going through a tough time due to the pandemic. Yes, there are many restrictions, do's and don'ts. But nowadays, we all are feeling very happy. Why? We are in festive mood. Yes, it is the month of October, and we wait for this grand festival. Yes, Durga Puja. Every year we enjoy a lot during Durga Puja. So first of all, I'd like to discuss on this great festival. Now, If I tell you to write a composition on Durga Puja, how will you write? First, you must give a title of the essay. Here, Durga Puja only. Followed? Okay. Now, while writing an essay, first you are supposed to write an introduction. A paragraph that introduces the topic, says something interesting about it. So, how can you start writing the essay on Durga Puja? As a brief introduction on the festival, you can write, Durga Puja is one of the most famous and significant festivals for Hindus. Durga Puja is one of the most famous and significant festivals for Hindus. This festival is celebrated in September or October. This festival is celebrated in September or October. We worship whom? We worship goddess Durga, who killed Mahisasura. Yes, symbolizing the victory over evil. Evil means bad power. Okay. Now, Durga is worshipped for how many days? For 3 days. And on the 4th day, we immerse her in the rivers. Durga is worshipped for 3 days. And on the 4th day, we immerse her in the rivers. Now, body of the essay. We support and develop the points here. Yes. Like, what do you do during puja? Next paragraph. Everyone wears new clothes, eat a variety of food and sweets, meet with their family, friends and relatives, and go to pandal hopping. Yes. Schools and colleges are shut during these days. Kolkata can be seen in a different type of festivity mood. Feasts and food stalls remain open and oblige guests for the duration of the night. Feasts and food stalls remain open and oblige guests for the duration of the night. Yes, it's a whole night program. Yes. So, now the concluding part. It is one of the best celebrations of Bengal. It is one of the best celebrations of Bengal. The young, old, men, ladies and youngsters together celebrate this festival with extraordinary festivity. Yes. Everybody enjoys puja a lot and waits for the festive days to come every year. So this way you can write an essay on a particular topic. Followed? Next, let's discuss something different. Something different. An easy and very relevant topic for current time. Save trees, save earth. Save trees, save earth. Let me give you some hints. You will have to develop those points. Okay. So, first, introduction. that is introducing the topic in an interesting way. Then body. Why are trees important? First introduction, then why are trees important? Next you can write, why do people destroy trees? Why do people destroy trees? Next, why should we preserve and plant trees? Why should we preserve and plant trees? Then conclusion, the part we should play in saving trees. The part we should play in saving trees. Clear? Okay. Now what will be the title of the essay? Yes, Save Trees, Save Earth. Save Trees, Save Earth. Every composition or essay should have a title. Okay? Now, you can start in this way. Save trees, save earth. This should be the motto that every human being living in this planet should follow. Save trees, save earth. This should be the motto that every human being living in this planet should follow. Trees are very precious. Precious means valuable. Without trees, life on earth is impossible. But people destroy trees. People destroy trees. We should understand its value and save trees to continue the survival of human race. But people destroy trees. People destroy trees. We should understand its value and save trees to continue the survival of human race. I repeat, we should understand its value and save trees to continue the survival of human race. This way you can write the introduction. Okay? Then comes the body of the essay. Why trees are important? Why trees are important? Why should we save trees? Trees are the best friends of humanity. They give us oxygen and provide fruits, wood, etc. Not only human beings, even birds and animals and other creatures also depend on trees for food and shelter. Yes, as you know, not only human beings but birds and animals and other creatures also depend on trees for food and shelter. But people cut the trees for products. They destroy forests for many reasons. But we should protect trees and plant more and more trees for survival and to save the earth. We should protect trees and plant more and more trees for survival and to save the earth. You can conclude the essay this way. Trees are the best gift of nature for us. Trees are the best gift of nature for us. We should not misuse it. So, save trees and save the earth. Save trees and save the earth. Make it healthy and greener for future generations. Make it healthy and greener for future generations. So, this is the message. Okay. Now, I hope you have understood how to write a composition or an essay. Now, I'd like to give you a very easy topic along with the hints. You'll have to develop those hints to write a composition on your own. Okay? Okay, now you will have to write a composition on your best friend. On your best friend. So, what will be the title of the essay? Yes, my best friend. My best friend. Now, hints. First, introduction. Name of your best friend. Then, is she your classmate or neighbor? You will have to write. How does she look? How does she look? What do you know about her? What do you know about her? Like her favorite color, her favorite food, her favorite book. Next, why do you like her? Why do you like her? Why do you consider her as your best friend? You can start the essay like this. Your introduction part. Friends play a very important role in our lives. Friends play a very important role in our lives. A true friend teaches us to share, love, care, and most importantly, helps us to fight odds. And most importantly, helps us to fight odds. A true friend never leaves us in distress. Distress means in sorrow, in pain. A true friend never leaves us in distress. We enjoy quality time with our friends. We enjoy quality time with our friends. You can write, I have many friends, but Tina is my best friend. But Tina is my best friend. She is my classmate. She is my classmate. She is in class 3. She is in class 3. This way you can start the essay. And next part, you can say something about your best friend Tina. Like, Tina is good at studies. Tina is good at studies. She looks very pretty. She looks very pretty. She has short hair and she always has a smiling face. She always has a smiling face. Her favorite food is biryani. Her favorite food is biryani. She loves to read storybooks. What's her hobby? She loves to read storybooks. She sings well. She sings well. We love to play together. We love to play together. Okay. So you love to spend time with her. Now the concluding part. The most important feature about her is that she is very helpful. She is very helpful. She is an intelligent girl. She is an intelligent girl. She behaves politely and always ready to help. Always ready to help. A mark of a true friend. A mark of a true friend. Next, you can write, everyone loves her for her fine qualities and good habits. Everyone loves her for her fine qualities and good habits. I am very lucky to have a friend like her. I am very lucky to have a friend like her. So children, hope you will be able to develop the poems on your own. So please write the composition on your best friend. Take care children. Thank you.